What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hefe Reese. Right now, I'm out with the family at the goddamn farmer's market in Georgia. Right now, we about to get some dinner. It's my mom's birthday, as well as my grandmother and my grandpa's anniversary. So what I need y'all to do is subscribe, like, comment. Also, share this page. Right now, we about to show y'all how ratchet my family looking. Look at my grandmother and her goddamn nightgown and shit. Grandmother ain't even dressed. Got two braids in her head looking like who know what. Some flip flops on. My mom over there, hair still wet. My step poppy, y'all. Big Mike. Hey, Big man. Fucking smelly ass fish. This is what my grandmom looked like on her anniversary early in the morning. In her nightgown. Mom got her hair still goddamn wet. Birthday early in the morning. Got us over here by this smelly ass fish. Aha. Goddamn smelly ass fish. Look at this nasty shit. What the fuck is that? Cat. YouTube, this shit got me about to throw up. The smells in here, it's foul.
So you tell you down south, cause they got live crawfish and shit.
Like, what the fuck? Look at this shit.
Nasty ass squid and shit. Nasty ass shit.
Like, this shit got my stomach about to curl, y'all. Oh my god. Got some shrimp. Some octopus. He got some octopus. You can get it all at the farmer's market, y'all. Salmon. Got you some fresh kingfish steak. Got your catfish. Look at my grandmother, y'all, just chilling like the peanut lady. It's fishy to you too, mama? It's fishy to you too? Got my stomach about to curl. You got ass if you like ass. Shoot, they got it all at the farmer's market, y'all. Get you some goddamn fish and shit. Yo, why my family out so ratchet? Everybody y'all need nightgowns and shit. Like, what kind of shit is this? Grandma like, fuck it. Mom's like, fuck it. Doing flip-flops and the pajama pants is the way to go. Get some damn crabs. Live blue crabs at that. Mama, watch out for one of them crabs bite your ass. They live. Yeah, baby, they live. She got her butt now. I'm like, Mama, watch out for they bite your ass. They live, baby. They gonna bite. Better put that thing down. Oh, that little motherfucker trying to get out. He feisty. He said he don't want to be in there. You see the rest of them just chilling. That one little motherfucker right there, he like, I gotta go. Oh, back chip. It, oh.
They didn't jump down. Look.
They said we cool. He said we cool. About to have a heart attack and she the one that got the crack. Shit. Look at that shit. I hope this motherfucker don't bite me. Ah. Ah. Oh. See. She just picking them motherfuckers up like it ain't goddamn nothing. Hell no. These motherfuckers got claws. They bite the shit out you, clamp on your nose. Ah! Ah. Oh, that motherfucker trying to get out. Oh no, see, he crazy. He tripping. He just picking that motherfucker up with his hand. Hell no. They see, they quit. They quit. Look at that motherfucker. He jumping. That motherfucker jumping.
See if there was any water in there, they spit water out.
Oh, look at this motherfucker. He look evil as shit. Look at him. Ooh.
What are you looking at?
I got you. Oh, shit. She playing with crawfish and shit. Shit. Put one of these goddamn crabs in her pajama pants. Yo, back up. Back up. See, you gotta watch these motherfuckers. They be tripping. Trying to throw crabs on the nigga and shit. Yo, look at this motherfucker. He looks so mad. His ass trying to get out. Ah, bitch, back up, bitch. Ah, look at him. Oh, you see the fucking red in that nigga eyes? He look like the devil. That bitch look like the devil. Ah, beggar, bitch. That's how you gotta do them. You gotta flip them crabs over, beggar hoe. Oh, that motherfucker wanna fight. He said, oh shit, back up, B. Back up, B. Back up, B. You getting too exclusive now, B. Back up now. Back up. Oh, they want to claw. They want to claw. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I goddamn mama's birthday playing with crabs. This shit really got me dying. I can't breathe. Oh, Put that motherfucker down. He too fast. He too fast. Oh, he said, I'm getting out of here, B. Bring your ass back, boy. Oh, see? Back up now. Don't do it to yourself now. Oh, don't do it to yourself. Cause I claws it. Go ahead, get fucking clamp. 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 Oh, look at his eyes though. That nigga a G though. He said, oh, back up, bitch. Yeah, ho. Back up, cuz. Who you getting gangster with, B? Back up. Did she just call me homeboy? She just called me homeboy? Oh, she said number 8. I thought she was going to call me homeboy. But that's it, YouTube. Y'all see what we go through on live. It's your boy Hefe Reese. Remember, subscribe, comment, like, share, press that bell. Comment what y'all want to see next, y'all. Song, gang.